in apprenticeship system, by the 6th year where that boy become an asset, you give him capital, set him up. So he start taking your customer. The next thing you see that boy growing up, his boss start going down. Because what happened is that by the 5th year, the boss has bought Mercedes. He now sleep a little bit, come to office by 10 o'clock, by 5 he go. But this boy is the button the customer know, entertain.
This is the stereotype.
Cosmas Maduka is a prominent, successful businessman from the Southeast. Cosmos himself is a product of the Igbo apprenticeship system, popularly known as Igba Boi. He is the CEO of Coscharis Group. Cosmos takes a unique perspective about this famous Igbo apprenticeship system. He talks about the limitations and how it could be improved for us to run sustainable businesses. And I bet you've never heard about this kind of thing before, and it's very insightful. And I want to take your time and watch this clip. And most importantly, let me hear what you have to say about it in the comment section.
Apprenticeship, by the 5th year or 6th year, that boy is already matured. I'm looking for a system where instead of giving that boy a capital, the boss could call the boy and said, I'm giving you 20 million or 30. We've taken a stock. This 20 million represents 2% of this company. You will become a shareholder if you are accept, so that we can continue this business. Because that boy is skillful. He know what to do. But in apprenticeship system, by the 6th year where that boy become an asset, you give him capital, set him up. So he start taking your customer. The next thing you see that boy growing up, his boss start going down. Because what happened is that by the 5th year, the boss has bought Mercedes. He now sleep a little bit, come to office by 10 o'clock, by 5 he go. But this boy is the button the customer know, entertain. So when he start, when customer come to buy, they go to his place and I give him the list of what they want to. It's only what that boy don't have that they come to buy from the boss. So you see the boy start growing up, his boss start going down. So apprenticeship system continue to create every 7 years champion. You learn this man is very big. By the 8th year, he start going down. His boy start going up. The same boy follow the same system. Take boys again, settle them. By the time he settle his boy, the 2nd year, his boy is going up, he's going down. So there's inconsistency. There's no growth level that continue. Can you imagine if that boy become part owner of that business and use that scale? It's even much easier for him because the difficulties of starting from ground zero, he would have overcome and grow that business to where, because 1% of lucky fella is still better than 100% of Coscharis Group. But some people don't realize it. We want to be head of an ant instead of being a tail of a cow. So that head you are running to, ask yourself, what does it deliver to you? What do you get from it at the end of the day? So you can form a partnership. I'm also a great advocate of partnership, especially at setup level. If you want to know, I have 4 partnerships that I did before Coscharis was born. My first partner was my senior brother, Maduka Brothers. My second partner was a friend of mine, Edwin Uzochukwu, who is late. My 3rd partner was Benson Elodimo, C and B. My 4th partner was David Musu. We have a company called Cos Dave, which Cos and David. It was at the end of Cos Dave that I established Coscharis. Coscharis is a combination name of my name and my wife. My wife is Charity. My name is Cosmas. So I don't want to call it Coscharity, so you look local. So I call it Coscharis. So people thought it was Greek.